Going on the first little road trip to go see the debutter people. Come on, get him in for the other one, get out.
I know.
Stay back, baby. Take a minute.
I'm not liking this day. I know, Mama. I know. I'll give you another treat. You poor thing. You poor thing. He's going to the bathroom. We gotta wait until he's done.
What's going on there? Like, where are we? What's going on? We gotta go and see the debutter and then we'll be right back. It won't take long, they said. They're so cute. We got one more. Oh boy, I think you're scared.
We'll be back, Mama. We'll be back. What are we gonna do with the littles?
I have to leave the door cracked.
We should close the door.
I'll leave the door cracked. They got, I mean, they're in there. I can't do nothing with them. They're in there. They're gonna stay in for a while. All right, last one. Okay, here we go. Picture of our friend's goat babies. She's got a few goat babies.
She got lots of babies. Look at those ones. Oh, sir.
Look at all the goat babies. Oh my goodness. Let's get a picture of Tiny. Oh, look at Tiny.
Oh my goodness.
He's so cute.
So adorable.
Look at all the goat babies. Look at all the goat babies.
Are you okay? So tiny. Oh.
And our baby snuck up in there hiding.
Yeah.
It's part of it.
It's okay. And this will grow us back very quickly. Oh, I know. I'm just so weedy sometimes. A lot of times. Yeah, it just helps to keep the area clean and
Oh yeah.
yeah. The smell, burning hair is not a good smell.
No.
It still happens, but
Not as bad.
it feels a little cleaner.
Yeah, it does. Well done. It's it. All over.
We had the babies debudded or dehorned or whatever you want to call it. I didn't show all. You've seen some of the video coming up. I didn't record the stuff where it was kind of like them doing their business, doing the stuff, because it's kind of gross and it doesn't hurt the babies for very long. But you can see the babies have got all their buds, all silver iodine. They got their shot and they're healthy. So all good. Now we're gonna get them back with Mama. Oh, hungry. Oh, hungry. Oh, the little baby. Goodness, it's just a teeny tiny one. Oh.
I can't believe how big the head is, or the mouth is compared
Where
to
to
the head.
oh, I know it, right?
You want another one?
Oh. Oh, so cute. Nice. Hi, baby. You're a baby, huh? You just checking out the world? Oh, so cute. How many you got?
4 right now. One took off.